Okay. So here it says round off decimal to the nearest whole number. Means what? Means a decimal number is given to you and you have to round it off to a whole number. Okay, so whole number means what? Decimal number should not come. So I will take one example, say 2.3. Okay, so now if it is 2.3, I have to convert this into whole number. So my answer will be either 2 or my answer will be 3. Now, after decimal point, what is the number? Number is 3. So my answer will be 2 here. I will explain you shortly in a better way. Just a minute. Okay. Here the number is what? Here the number is 2. But here what is the number? Number is 3. Say this is a decimal point. Here the number is what? 3. So if the number is 1 or 2 or 3, okay, or a 0 also you have to consider, 0 or 4. In this case, if you are rounding off to the whole number, the answer will be 2 only. Got it? Whereas in the second scenario, okay, in the second case where my first number is 2 and after decimal point, if it is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, if I round off this, it will become 3. I have to add this number 2 plus 1 and I will make it 3. This you have understood or not? If not,
No, sir.
okay, no. I am explaining you. 1 minute. Now see. Okay, so I have taken means I have divided this number. 1 minute. This line I have divided into many small parts. Just a minute. Huh? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, no problem. Okay, so I have here I have say 1, not 1, 4.0. Here I have 4.1. Here I have 4.2. Here I have 4.3. This is 4.4. This is 4.5. This is 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9. After 4.9, what I should write? 5.0 I should write. Correct? Correct. I should write 5.0. This is understood or not? Okay. Now I want to round off 4.2. Okay. In a whole number. Okay. So how many whole numbers can you see here? I can see whole number here. This 4 is a whole number. I can see whole number here. This 5 is a whole number. Correct? In between these numbers, I don't see a whole number. It's all decimal number. Correct? Now, this 4.2 is close to this or is close to this. Means 4.2 is close to 4 or close to 5.
Close to 4.
Correct. So the answer over here will be 4. Got it? Now understood or not?
Yes.
Okay. Now I will give you one more. Say 4.5. Now you have to round off this to a number, whole number. So can you tell me this 4.5 is near to 4 or near to 5?
Near to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both are same, right?
Yes.
So you can't say it's near to 5. It is equal. So whenever it is equal, we always add. So we always make it 5 only. Got it?
Yes.
Now, why sure we are making it 5 only? Why we are not making it 4? Because if you see here, this is 4. This is 1 time 4. This is second time 4. This is third time 4. This is 4 time 4. But this is not 4. Correct? Whereas if you see here, 1 time 4, second time 4, third time 4, fourth time 4, fifth time 4. So here it is fifth time 4, fifth time, whereas this is only fourth time. So this is more closer. This 4 is more closer. Now this 4.5 is more closer to 5. So 5 is the answer. Understood now?
Yes.
Okay. Now next